Okay, so this particular chapter will tell you how to add or edit makeup on somebody without even putting makeup in real. Okay, if you are not even putting makeup, still you'll be able to put makeup on yourself by working with AI. That's the idea. So how do we go about it? So we do put input image here. Okay, so first we click on it. We will have so many options, 4 5. In this we will click on in paint and out paint, and then we will drop an image here. Okay, so I will take an image of a girl who has not done any makeup. Yeah, so right now we can't see any makeup on this person. Okay, there are some drop down options below. Once we click on it, we will see there is an option which is called improve detail, face, hand, eyes, etc. So that's what we want to do. We want to improve face, hand and eyes. So once we click on it, we'll have a brush option. Now we'll have to start painting her face in the sense where what all we want to change. So right now I'm trying to change her hair. Her hair is not looking very well combed and it is not a very nice color and all that. So what we'll do is we'll just first of all we will start painting. So we have already selected brush. We'll start painting. Okay, once the hair is painted, there is a place for prompts. Here we will type the prompt saying fluffy glazed. We want fluffy glazed natural hair with streaks, slightly wavy hairstyle. Whatever you want, you can type colors also in this, and hair will be colored in different color altogether, right? So once we type it, we press enter and then we generate. Once we generate, you see her hair is now suddenly starting to look different. If I have to show you the real picture of the garment of the person, you will see. I'll compare. I'll put side to side and I compare how we have improved the makeup on her.
Okay.
There is
Nice.
more. I'm going to do eye and face makeup also.
You want to make it red? You want to make it which color you want? You tell. Blonde.
So with that you might be able to do it, since these are pre-recorded so
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
so see this. Yeah, so this is how the model the hair was earlier, and this is
Mm.
how nice the hair has become now. Correct, definitely there's a difference. Now we'll start working with the uh, um, now we'll drag this image down. Okay, we have to keep dragging this image down. So we'll
Mm.
drag it and the image becomes nice. We'll again adjust the brush size here and we'll go to advanced. In advanced, whatever I mean, these settings are up to you. You can decide. Okay, next is coloring eyes. So we have brush selected. Now I will paint over her eyes. Okay, and then on the left eye, and now I will type eye makeup. There was no eye makeup earlier, okay? But now I've typed it and see, suddenly the eyes are looking better. If I compare with the existing photo,
Mm.
look.
Yeah.
So now eyes are suddenly having some makeup on top,
It
right?
has the life has come to the eyes.
Correct. Now we'll do the lips also the same way. So we have selected the brush and now we will paint over her lips. So that brush selection has happened. Now we will type a prompt saying lipstick, lush, full lips, slight smile. Okay, we'll do that and then we will generate. You will see that the makeup also, one second, something has happened. Yeah, so now see suddenly the makeup has come. Now I'm trying to put earrings on her because that's a part of also appearance. So I'll click on both of these sides and then with the brush and I will type pearl earrings. Okay, and see, pearl earrings have also come. Alright, so I'll show you both the pictures side to side where you will see no makeup and then you will see good makeup on the girl. So look, this was the picture before and then we have upgraded our model to make it look really beautiful with makeup and lips and hair and earrings. This is the before one, this is the after. Oh, you're not able to see the images, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll just 1 second.
Yeah, I can't see.
The connecting, yeah. So this is the after makeup, this is the before makeup. See, suddenly we started, we have first changed the hair to make it look like this, then we colored on, painted on top of the eye, and then eye has become a little bit alive, and then we painted her lips. Look, suddenly, right? So this is how you can use AI to apply and change makeup on a person. You can even, I have kept the hair color to be natural and all. You can keep green, blue, red, whatever you want to, it will work
Yeah, yeah.
for sure.
Mm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is it about the makeup.